Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, the game has crashed with the error code 0xc0000409, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your Xbox app. So open up your start menu, right here Xbox, and now you're going to click onto your username here, click onto support, click on gaming services repair tool, and then click start repairing, click yes on here. Wait for it to complete its thing. Once it's done with that, you're going to click close on here, and now you're going to sign out from the Xbox app. So click sign out here and then close the Xbox app. And now what you're going to do is, if you have any overlays turned on like MSI Afterburner, Discord's overlay, Steam's overlay, or anything like that, what you're going to do is you're just going to close those overlay softwares before you turn on the game. So just turn off any overlays that you may have turned on. After that, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. And now you're going to sign into your Xbox account. After you're done signing in, minimize the Xbox app, open up your games platform, which is Steam. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.